Hello, hope you're doing good. How would you feel if I told you that there was one platform that you could use to manage all of your digital marketing? You can use it for your CRM. You can also use it for your social media marketing and to manage all of your social media platforms. You can use it for email marketing and so much more. And it doesn't matter what type of business you're running, you can find benefits of using this platform. Well, that is basically how I would describe Marketing 360. And in this tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step how to use Marketing 360 as a complete beginner. So the first thing you want to do is go onto their website, which is marketing360.com. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on Plans and Pricing in the top right hand corner. From there, you can sign up using your email address and you will answer some basic information so that they'll better understand what type of business you're running and also what are your targets. Once you're signed up and you have verified your account, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, you can go over to the top left hand corner and you could select dashboard right here. After you have selected dashboard, you can see the different apps or features on this platform. Or you can scroll down, and by scrolling down, you can see the different applications right here also. So let's say, for example, we will kick things off by creating a website. So we're going to tap on websites. Once you have tapped on websites, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you can see Websites 360. And all you'll need to do if you want to create your website, you can tap on Start a 14-day free trial and you'll be able to use their platform to create a website. Now, if you would like to use Marketing 360 for their CRM, you can simply tap on CRM right here. After you have tapped on CRM, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, you could go over to the top right hand corner, tap on Add Contact, and from here you'll be able to add your contacts. So you can add their name, email address, phone number, and you can add the source, and you can assign it to a particular team member if you want, as you can see right there. Then all you'll need to do now is tap on Add Contacts. But let me close out of this real quick. Another thing that you can also do is by tapping on tasks right here, you'll be able to add your first task. So you could tap on Add Task from the left hand menu option, and from there you'll be able to create your task. You can also use this platform to add your first deals right here. So you can set up deals by tapping on Add Deals. And also, if you would like to, for example, import your CSV file, you can do that by tapping on Contacts. After you have tapped on Contacts, all you'll need to do now is simply scroll down. Then right where you see Import Contacts from File, you could simply tap on Begin Import, and you'll be able to import your contacts by uploading your CSV file right there. You can also add your projects, different projects, by tapping on Projects from the top menu option. You can tap on Projects right there and you'll be able to add projects. Now that I've shown you a basic rundown of how to use their CRM, let's say you would like to use this platform to create an e-commerce store. All you would need to do is simply tap on Shop. Once you have tapped on Shop, you will be redirected to a new page. And you can see the page is opening up right here. With this platform, you'll now be able to start selling online. All you'll need to do is scroll down, then you could tap on Unlock Payments. After you have tapped on Unlock Payments, you will be redirected to a new page. So once this page loads up, I will be showing you what to do next. All you'll need to do now, we'll tap on the X right there. You can select your business location. Then you will tap on I agree. Then you're going to tap on Unlock Payments. After you have tapped on Unlock payments. And from there you'll be redirected to this page, and all you'll need to do now, you could tap on continue right here. After you have tapped on continue, you will be redirected to a new page. And on this new page, you will be asked some personal details. So you can fill in your first, last name, email address, your date of birth, and your address right there. You can also add your social security number. Then you will tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, you will be redirected to your store, and you can start setting up your store. Now let's go back to the main dashboard. Now let's say you wanted to create a sign-up form. All you'll need to do is tap on forms. Then from there you can see contact form, feedback form, get a quote form, or subscriber form. You have different options. We're going to tap on create form right here, and we're going to name our form test. Then we're going to tap on save. After you have tapped on save, you're going to be redirected to a new dashboard. On this new dashboard, you will now be able to edit your form. So at the moment, this is how it looks, as you can see right here. If you would like to add a field, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on add field. Then from there, you'll tap on select field, and you can scroll down and you can select whichever field you want. So let's say, for example, I want to select file uploads. Then I'm going to tap on save changes. After I've done that, it will automatically be added to the preview right here. So if I were to scroll down, you can see that file uploads has now been added. Once you have designed it to your liking, all you'll need to do now, you could tap on the three dots right. Once you have designed it to your liking, all you'll need to do now is go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on settings. Then from there, if you would like to remove the reCAPTCHA, you can do that. And you can also see the thank you message right here if you would like to edit it. After you have done all of that, you can tap on submissions, and you can tap on embed right here, and you'll be able to copy and paste the embed code on your website. If you would like to make any further changes, you could tap on design. So for instance, you can change the background color, you can change the labels color, you can change the button color also. And if you would like to add fonts, you can do that, as you can see right there. You can also change the button style if you want. Once everything is to your liking, you'll tap on save changes. Then you're going to go back, and you can see right here, the form has been saved here. Now to access other features on Market360, you could tap on forms. Then we're going to tap on payments. Once you have tapped on payments, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And on this dashboard, you will be able to access your payments feature. So let's give it a few seconds to load up. Once it loads up, I will be showing you what to do next. Now, if we were to select payments, we would be redirected to the same page that we were on earlier to verify our information. So you'll need to add in your information right there to access their payment feature. Now, if you want to make any other changes, you could simply tap on settings. By tapping on settings, you can change your business info. You can change the industry that you want or that you're in, better yet. And if you'd like to add team members, you can do that by selecting users and permissions. You could tap on invite users, and you'll be able to invite your different team members right there. If you would like to integrate any other app onto this platform, you can select integrations. So for example, you can add your ad account, and you can scroll down, you can add your different social media accounts right there. And you can also use different Zapier features. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.